In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reverb to audio in Soundtrap. Reverb is the sense of space you hear when sound reflects off walls, floors, and ceilings. Adding a touch of it can make vocals sit naturally in a mix, give guitars depth, and turn a dry recording into something that feels alive. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Soundtrap website. On the homepage, click Login. If you use a Google account, choose Login with Google, then select your account to continue. Once you're in, go to the studio. This opens the workspace where your projects and tracks live. In the studio, click the track you want to edit so it's highlighted. With the track selected, right-click on the track header or the audio region to bring up the context menu, and choose Effects. That opens the Effects panel, where you can add and manage processing on this track. In the Effects panel, use the search field to find Reverb. When you see Reverb in the list, click it to add it to your track's effect chain. You'll now see the Reverb controls, including a percentage control. This percentage is your wet-dry mix. At lower values, you'll hear mostly the original sound with a hint of space. At higher values, you'll hear more of the room sound. Press play and adjust the percentage while listening. For vocals, starting around 10 to 20% often keeps things natural. For ambient pads or distant guitars, you can push it higher, but avoid washing out important details. If you want a quick starting point, you can also select a preset. Presets are curated combinations of settings designed for different spaces and moods. Open the preset menu and choose Hallway as an example. Hallway simulates a narrow reflective space that adds presence without an overly long tail. After selecting it, fine-tune the percentage to fit your mix. Small changes go a long way, so move in small increments and listen to how the reverb blends with the rest of your song. Once you're happy, continue playing through different sections to make sure the effect feels consistent from verse to chorus. If the reverb stands out too much during quiet moments, dial it back slightly. And that's it, your track now has reverb in Soundtrap. You've logged in, opened the studio, added the reverb effect, adjusted the mix percentage, and tried a preset for fast results.